We hear from a lot of companies that their throughput is hurt by labor shortages, reliability, and safety at the end-of-line palletizing. Focus designed the Cube palletizing cell to solve these problems for companies that need automation without anxiety that comes with it. Your team should not have to become robotics experts to support a palletizer. The Cube arrives turnkey and is up and running, and your staff is trained in a single day. The system is designed for people who actually use it. Deployment is straightforward, operation is simple, reliability is high. The Focus operating system is key to this. If you can use a tablet or a cell phone, you can use FOS. Feedback is visual, faults are explained, and setup requires no code right from the HMI, removing operational obstacles. Remote support from our engineers provide the confidence your team deserves. Focus Lens gives insight to production data, system status, and the ability to view and print shift reports provides visibility to management. Together, these tools provide an easy operational experience, keeping your line running smoothly around the clock. The Cube is designed and assembled right here in Detroit. This is what low-risk automation actually looks like.